Wow, wow. Das war relativ turbulent. Druck habe ich nicht mehr. Noch nicht. Merkst du? Wollte ich schon sagen.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liverpool. The time is approaching 15 minutes past 5. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the signs throughout the cabin have been switched off. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking the seat pockets in front or to the side of you, underneath the seats and within the overhead lockers. Please take care when opening overhead lockers in case items fall out. Smoking is only permitted once you reach a designated smoking area in the terminal building. And if you need to hire a car during your stay here in Liverpool, EasyJet would like to recommend our car rental partner, Europcar. Just visit their desk inside the terminal building. This proof you've flown EasyJet to qualify for a discount on their standard airport rates. Ladies and gentlemen, we do realise you have a choice of airlines and would like to thank you for choosing to fly with EasyJet today. On behalf of your captain Dave Webb and the rest of his crew, I hope you have enjoyed your flight with us. We look forward to seeing you again and wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Thank you and a very good evening.
John Lennon, Liverpool. Cool, cool. Ja. Also gerade die Landung gefilmt, oder was? Ja.